Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the fourth chapter, that is basic geometry concepts. Okay, so students, in previous classes already we have discussed about the quadrilaterals and the different parts about that opposite angles, adjacent sides and so more things about that quadrilateral. Okay, but what is the students today are very interesting things we are going to study. What is that? That is one of the very important part of our geometry. That is what is circle. Okay, do you have idea about that circle? Yes. If you have seen that girls are you wearing that bangles, what is the shape of this? That is one of the just like a circle. Okay, so same like what is the circle? That is one round figure like. Okay, so you can see that what is the circle and what are the parts of the circle, what is that related to the term to the circle, we will study in this video. A circle is a set of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point always remain constant. That means on a plane, suppose board, this white board is a plane surface, there one point, this is one fixed point, from the fixed point to equal distance from here, equal distance here, if you will arrange that all dots, what it will form, that is called as a circle. Okay, and that fixed point is called as what? Center of the circle. Okay, remember students, the fixed point is called the center of the circle. Remember students, what is that circle? Now, a circle is a set of points. The set of points, these are the all points only, not like how like it is arranged. These points arranged just like a curve. So set of points which are arranged on a plane. Okay, on a plane you have to arrange, and that should be a particular fixed distance. All the points fixed distance you have to arrange. Okay, how much distance? Fixed distance. So this from here to here, how much? Here same distance you have to arrange all the points. That points on a plane, that is called as a circle, and the fixed point is called as a center of circle. The fixed point O is called center of the circle. Where is the center of the circle? You have to see here. This point, where is the fixed point? That is center of the circle. Okay. Next, students, we are going to discuss radius of circle. Students, I told one fixed distance from the center of the circle. The fixed distance, or how much distance? That fixed distance from the center to the circle, that is called as a one line segment, that is called as a radius. The line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on its circle, on its is called the radius of the circle. That means, see, from the, suppose this is circle. Okay friends, this is center of the circle. From the center of the circle to any point of the circle, these are different points, are so many infinite points are there. From this point to and this point it will join center of the circle to any point of the circle, any point, that is called as a radius. That means how many radius are there on a circle? Infinite number of whatever radius are there, because how many points are there, we may draw that many radius. Okay, what are the diameter? That means equal distance. All the radius are having the equal length of a circle. Next we can go for that students, diameter. What is the diameter students? A line segment passing through the center of the circle, or a line is passing through the center of the circle and having ends having its ends on the circle. That means a line is passing through the center of the circle. That line is passing through the center of the circle, and that line should be what? End points. Where? On the circle. Its end points on the circle. That means this line, its end point A, its end point B. Where is present? On the circle. Okay. So this is called as a diameter. And remember that students, diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. That means diameter is equal to 2 into radius. That means radius, this is from center to any point, radius. This is center to any point, radius. So 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. So but we have to write that if that is opposite radius, that is called as a diameter, and special diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay friends, and radius is equal to diameter by 2. If you will ask of diameter how much, 2 into radius. If radius you will ask, that 2 will come to this side, or diameter by 2. Okay friends, how many diameters can draw? How many diameters can draw of a circle? On a circle, infinite number of diameter can draw of a circle on a circle. Next friends, another one part of the circle we are going to study. What is the chord of a circle? Okay, so diameter what is that friends? AB. This is AB. So AB is a diameter. Okay, so many diameter can draw. If you can draw like this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this. These all are the diameters. C, D, E, F, E, F. These are the, which are passing through the center of the circle. That line segment which are passing through the center of the circle. That line segment end points should be on the circle. Next friends, chord of the circle. First we have studied that what? Center of the circle. Second one we studied the radius of the circle. Third one we have studied that diameter. Now we are going to discuss about that what is the chord of the circle. The line segment formed by the joining any 2 points on the circle is called its chord. That means friends, observe here. This is one circle. So many infinite points are there. Yes or no? Yes. So any 2 points you will join. Any 2 points. Suppose here one point is there and here one point is there. If I join here one point, here one point, joint. Any 2 points you will join. What is the line segment will form? That line segment is called as a chord of the circle. Did you understand? Now A and B jointed. I jointed A to B. Any 2 points. If this is one circle, suppose this point, this is center of the circle. I will point here, I will give. This is 2 points. Any 2 points I am telling. This is suppose K, this is L. If K and L is joined, this KL is called as a chord of the circle. Okay. Next friends, this AB and CD are the 2 chords. I have just drawn. So many infinite numbers also we can draw on a circle. Next, secant of a circle. What is the secant of the circle, friends? Now a line intersecting the circle any 2 points. The line intersecting the circle at 2 points is called as a secant of a circle. Suppose friends, I have drawn here observe. This is one circle. Okay. If I joint like this is one line. This is one line. It is jointed. It is intersected here. This is intersected here. So, if the line will intersect the 2 points of the circle, that is called as a secant of a circle. Secant. This line is called as a secant. Okay. So, here I have drawn. This is one point. This is one point. 2 points intersecting. So, that's why it is called as a secant of a circle. The line intersecting the circle at 2 points is called secant of a circle. Okay. So you can draw these students, and then next we will discuss about that. What is the segments, what is the arc, what is the length of arc in the next video. Okay. Thank you.